Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and making them discoverable. This lets each device see the other. Next, verify battery levels and keep devices within about 10 meters so signals stay strong. Once visible, initiate pairing from the device that will send the file. Accept the pairing code on the receiving device. This creates a trusted link, so you don't need to reauthorize repeatedly, then move to selecting the file to send. On the sender, open your File app or gallery and select the file or multiple files you want to send. Tap the Share icon and choose Bluetooth from the list of sharing options, then pick the paired device name. If the receiving device does not accept the type, compress into a ZIP or use a file manager to change the format. Make sure the receiving app is ready to accept incoming files, otherwise the transfer may fail or be blocked by permissions. On the receiving device, accept the incoming transfer prompt and choose where to save the file. Some systems default to downloads. Monitor the progress bar and avoid moving out of range or locking the screen if transfers pause. Once complete, open the file to verify integrity. If the file is corrupted, try sending again or compressing smaller pieces. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, and repair. This usually
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.